Hello and welcome to Warhammer on a Budget. Today we're going to be looking at the Harlequins, and though this is actually one of the cheaper armies you can actually get for Warhammer 40k, your basic troop choice plus a HQ is £25. This is a troop choice and you'd have a squad of 5 Harlequins. I would get this one box, so you'd have your HQ and your 5 Harlequins. I would also get 3 Void Reavers. Because with the Void Reaver you get to make the Star Reaver, and with the Star Reaver, as you can see, you get your 2 passengers as well as this extra guy here. And if you make it as a Star Reaver, you get guys extra. And if you get 3 of them, that means you have 6 extra Harlequins, and there's loads of bits in this box, like absolutely insane amount of extra details, like Harlequin blades, Harlequin kisses, Harlequins, I'm going to say Harlequins a lot, aren't I? Harlequins embrace and caress, etc, and etc, etc. And so you'd have 2 boxes, so you have 2 troop choice support. Also, I will show you that I've also built a solitaire from the extra boxes. Okay, it doesn't look as cool as this one, but it is a solitaire. It has the caress, and it has the Harlequin's kiss, and I was a dumbass, I accidentally cut one of the horns off, but yeah, it does have a horn mask as well. And that's quite simply it. So you would end up saving 25 plus 16 is 35, 41 pounds. And we have not even hit our £150 budget because we've got 75, 100, so you have an extra £50 to spare. And I would just get the Star Reavers because they look cool. And don't honestly do much about this detail, which you see everyone painting, like these, and it looks cool, but honestly, don't worry about too much about painting it that way. Here are your minis, and if you want to give it a chance, give it a go. If you don't. I mean, no one's forcing you, and you can. There are models within the codex itself which shows that they're not the way you have to go. So this is a £41, saving already. And if you want to, you could, like I said, I just get some Sky Reavers and get a Shadow Seer too. And that is a very good army, because with this already, just with the kit bash of this solitaire, you have your elite choice, you have your 3 heavy support, your fast attack, you have 2 troops and 2 HQ. Anyway, I will show you my photo of my solitaire at the end. It's unpainted at the moment, but that's about it. I mean, I know it's a nice short sweet video, and it's like £41 that you're gonna be saving, because you get a free box of these, and you get your free solitaire as well. Anyway, like I said, it's Harlequins, it's a cheap army, and £100 gets you a decent army. Okay, like this is just basically an educational video. These are just educational. I'm showing you what's in the box and what you can build and what you can make with the bits inside. Also, if you look at, I would like to point this out while I'm here, but if you want to look for the Death Jest online, for some reason, it is not actually on the Harlequin page, but there it is. You actually have to type it into search. The Death Jester. If you're feeling a bit flush, get that as well, because it's actually a nice looking model. And I don't know why it's not actually on anything. It's kind of silly. But anyway. I don't know what more to say. Like I said, it's Harlequins. It's what I would call a side army. And that's basically it. If you wish to save more money on Warhammer, check the link out for Element Games below. You can save up to, I believe it's up to 20% on Warhammer miniatures there. Also, I have a comic book out now, so I'm going to plug this. That link is also subscribe, ring that bell, leave a comment if you want. Yay, Google Chrome being the best that it can ever be. There you go. Good day.